Do you have aluminium sliding doors and windows that you find are quite drafty? When they're new, they're delivered with brushes that stop draft, but over time they wear out and you end up with significant gaps around your door and windows. EMV can be a good solution for these. Hi, I'm Maurice Baynett, I'm Technical Director at EcoMaster, and today I'm going to show you how EMV can be used to stop drafts around aluminium sliding doors and windows. There's really three places where EMV can help with draft. The first is along the bottom and the top. In here is a brush that's now worn out, so there's a good gap between the brush and the face of the door or window. So we can use EMV to actually make up that gap and seal it. The same is true of the top. But in the jamb here sometimes can be quite drafty as well. So the EMV can actually be fitted into the jamb itself so that when the door closes, the EMV makes a seal on the edge of the door or window. So let's take a look at actually doing that now. Now that we're sure that the face of the door is clean, let's fit the EMV. So the first thing is to actually push it into that space. There we go. And we're going to start at this end. We're going to pull a little bit of the liner out and then push it in, push the EMV in, and we're very carefully going to pull the remaining liner out of the EMV. Well, we've fitted the EMV now, we've taken the liner out carefully, and the next part and final part is actually just to get a table knife and put it in the V and push it onto the actual door, just to make sure that the adhesive is well stuck to the door. If the leading jamb of your window or door is worn and you find that the door is a bit rattly when it's closed, then the EMV can be fitted actually into the jamb. You'll want to fold it over first and fit it in just like that into the jamb, so that when the door closes it's going to seal up onto the EMV. I'm going to do that now so that you can see what it's like. Make sure that you fold the EMV before you start. As always, take some liner out, starting at the top. Pull the liner out and keeping a tight grip of the EMV, just press it on. At the bottom, just make a crease and cut there. And remember, as always, press it all out really well. Nice. And there you have it. A perfectly draft-proof aluminium sliding door or window. So draft sealing an aluminium sliding door or window is that easy. Just get some EMV, treat the bottom, the top and the leading edge there in the jamb if you need to. Just go to the ecomasterstore.com.au and grab yourself a roll or two of EMV. It comes in white and brown. Remember, EcoMaster products are made to make your home more energy efficient, which makes it more comfortable to live in, cheaper to run, and of course better for the environment too. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you won't miss a thing. And I'll talk to you again soon.